boy. We'll get through the kisses.
Try and take the rails off.
Yes.
You know, that's interesting because a lot of what I'm doing is either accepting the veil or taking it away. And it's happening in the poems and it happens as a person. And of course,
He's like sitting there like, where have you gone?
I'm back.
The curtain, the
I'm back.
put it down as when you choose to, and put down
That's so nice,
There's
huh?
one happy parrot.
So nice. Yeah.
or give a little more.
Hello.
Choices.
Welcome back to the work, just back.